Hey guys, this is how to save a Google form. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your form and click on it. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and go for the responses over here. And now you should be able to see here there is three dots over here. And you should be able to download the responses of your Google form. Now, if you want to save the whole Google form itself, just simply go ahead and go to google.com. Just simply go to your Google Drive. And after that, just simply select your Google Drive. And remember, it will automatically be saved on your Google Drive once you create a form into the Google form over here. So guys, as long as you use the same Google account into the Google form and to the Google Drive, you should be able to access it. Now guys, another one, if you have edited the form, in order for you to save it, just make sure to select publish over here on the top right and make sure to click on save to save any changes that you made. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.